Okay, my name again still remaining Mane Oremi Jusmal, bringing the news as it is happening in your own area. There is a video that you will watch. Just watch this video. This video is a video of Akwa Okuko Anambra, Ekehit, and the Onyeze Jesus. What is the spectacular thing in this very video? All of you could remember that Onyeze Jesus was kidnapped. They said that he was kidnapped. For many months, he stayed in kidnapping then. When he finally came out, that was the time they arrested Akwa Okuko Anambra. He was making mouth, yes. Akwa Okuko is among the people that kidnapped me. And initially, when he came out, people were asking him, what did you see? He said, no, I will talk to governor. When I see the governor, I will let him know, because they told me that governor was not around. Governor traveled. How a lot of native doctors were involved in killing and kidnapping. Even me, where they there, I go to beg and say, hey, Onyeze Jesus, now that the governor is not around, please, can you tell me who and who you saw there? He said, no, I wouldn't tell you. I will talk to the governor alone. I even think, say, this guy get level. That he is somehow having connection with governor. Even then, he was threatening, what are they calling him? This guy where they advertise native doctor people. He was threatening that one. That one was even afraid. Maybe because of your connection with the governors, you want to use your connection with the governors and all of this. That one was even afraid talking. Don't try me, not because you have a connection over there. You want to use it against me. I am not Akwa Okuko. That one no even know, say this guy don't get any level. I am coming, please. Cool down, because where they carry you go. Now, when finally they arrested Akwa Okuko, detain him, this guy was making mouth. I will go to the governor. I will tell him, not only Akwa Okuko, there are a lot of people. Even they go beg and say, Oga, you don't do. No go mention another people's name again. Akwa Okuko that you have detained is enough. Don't mention another people's name. How can you be mentioning names of people, names of native doctor to people? Even as we the beggar, a lot of native doctors where they are Anambra State don't go Asaba. Some people enter Enugu State, some people Imo State. Some of them use overnight, run away from their shrine. Not only their shrine come, they call me on phone. Imane Oremi just waiting the soap. I come they tell and say, this one where you they call me, waiting happen. You say, Imane Oremi Juice, they don't abandon me, oh. These people don't abandon me, they don't run away, leave me. Imane Oremi Juice, cool down. I beg, open your ear. Now, after arresting Akwa Okuko, they go meet Ekehit. Ekehit run away. Ekehit jump fence, run away. The only Ekehit deity come run past me. I can't say, not Ekehit deity, they run like this. I can't call him. He say, my brother, they run go Asaba. I say, what happened? He say, Ekehit, leave us run. I couldn't ask the deity, what happened? Please explain to me what is happening over there. Not only the deity, can't they let me know, say, even the native doctor, where the Ekehit, run away because of Soludo. I am coming, because where will they go? Ifa. As we dey talk, now I open my phone, I still see Onyeze Jesus, they make mouth. Not the only Ekehit, there are a lot of people. No, ye mechichan the native doctors and fake Ezewani. As we dey hear native doctor and fake Ezewani, if I deny where they Enugu State be, where enter Anambra go buy something. I can't ask if Ferdinand, what happen? If Ferdinand say, make people use Anambra fear for them, say she know they come again. As I they look, all those social media is a one, all of them disappear from Anambra State. Even the one where they, I don't know whether Onyeze man she be a been at this where they Nnewi side, where they limp. I can't send somebody, make it go there, go do one or two things. As they read there, they say the shrine no they be again. Say the Imo State, the woman there now. Ha. We can't go the beg Onyeze. Waiting happen. Onyeze cool down and know that Onyeze say, if here, saying go do deal with a lot of people, we think say Onyeze get level. After arresting Ekehit, my brother, now they come for the same Onyeze. But something happened before they get to Onyeze. Onyeze begin to talk, say, they deceive him. Say, the time when him they talk about Ekehit, say they deceive him. Say that time him no know what him they talk. Say now him don't see road. We come they confused. How Onyeze come jump into this thing? We no know say Onyeze don't hear Kepu say them they come for that. And money don't remain. Even he is trying to build his scamming industry in order to improve. That is the reason why, because he had Jeremiah is getting money from Pool of Bethsaida. He go build one kind of Dangote Pool of Bethsaida where he use Dangote cement take do. Even the place no get level, no painting, nothing. He say if people come there, come bath, say they go get husband, they go get money, they go get whatever. The money where he won't give people, he never, him family, no see that Pool of Bethsaida do. Take raise money, go pay for him ransom. We make him stay there for how many months? Now, they can finally arrest Onyeze. From the video where we see, initially when they arrest Onyeze, they waka like this. We think say something wants up. Now. We think say then they arrest Onyeze, make it come confess and appoint, make it come identify those who kidnap him. Till today, we no see Onyeze. We no see him appearance. Another thing where we see, they say, this very video, where on they watch so. This very video, that where you go no say person get level. Akwa Okuko tiwara kena nioba, Ekehit, and Onyeze Jesus. They bring them come High Court, Oka High Court. Now, this video where you see so, when then they come out, you go see as they come out, Akwa Okuko whole bottle water. To show say he get level, he get somehow where they say yam, they reach. You no go fit put them for fire, go roast them. Akwa Okuko whole bottle water, person where they carry. If you look at Ekehit somehow they like person where rain beat. They loyal. If you look to the person where they run him mouth, I go talk to governor, I will talk to governor this, governor that. That one be like say don't get disappointed because when they arrest him, he dey limp. Only God knows how many beating where you chop from Udogachi of Anambra State. When we dey tell you say Udogachi of Anambra State, na criminals, you know here. No, it don't happen to you. You are running your mouth. I will talk to governor. I will talk to governor. I will tell governor. I will tell governor. Now, governor don't tell you. Governor don't talk to you. If you look inside this very video now, you go see how I will talk to governor. I will talk to governor. I will talk to governor. You will see how he is walking. Even at a time, he is hiding at the back of this man now, where they this side. Don't go and take glory over another man's issue. Your brother get issue, you won't take him. Oh, make it be saying na me. Don't go and take glory. This Okpokri, where the Onyeze Jesus, wey scam our people. Put our girls they dey naked, say you won't give them husband. Get the mind of calling another person fake, calling another person a ritualist, but you are the biggest ritualist. Oh, they are doing Ekehit, they are doing Ibubo, because you don't make the type of money where they make. That is the reason why you want to use Akwa Okuko to shine. Oga, comot this video. Make I see you. Comot the video. Soludo, I want to let you know something. This man where you see, where be Soludo, when Biafra come, I there among the people where go drag this very man go court. Yes, because when you talk about scam, this Soludo is a very big scam. This Ekperima, where you they see him face, where look like oracle where they refuse to give food. Oyiri oracle anachoberaja. Lay his face. This Ekperima now called Soludo, he is arresting the native doctors in Anambra State. No doubt, Soludo. But this same person where they arrest native doctors, look at his security. They are tying charms. Ndudogachi, tying the same charms. Soludo went to church because everything is campaign. He is preparing for his own campaign. They do not look at the sufferings of people. They want to use people to do campaign at every stage. Campaign is the only thing in their mind. That your suffering doesn't concern them. How to use you and do campaign is the only thing that concerns them. Soludo went to church. He spoke a long grammar, talking the menace of native doctors in Anambra State. Not the only native doctors, they scam people. At least the highest scammers now where we get in our church. Yes. But he concentrated on the native doctor side. Okay, no doubt. Now he began to arrest a lot of native doctors with Ibubo, with Ekehit. That if you are in Anambra State doing native doctor, in fact, he classified native doctor as evil, but his security where they go arrest the native doctor, this Ololiburuku security, the tie charms. They go arrest a native doctor. When I don't see the kind scam before, person tie charm, they go arrest a native doctor. This is made possible in Anambra State. Courtesy of Soludo, Ihuanwo. Courtesy of Soludo, Ihuanwo. Where are we going to? At least, make we know they lie to ourselves. Make we know they tell ourselves, say, bitter cola they sweet. Whereas bitter cola, eating of bitter cola is just for eating sake, tradition sake. There is no sweet in it. If we avoid something, may we avoid them in totality. In Anambra State today, the same Udogachi is patronizing native doctors. The same Udogachi is going to Ibariam to patronize native doctors. The same Udogachi. The same Udogachi is still going to Anam to test Odieshi in the same Udogachi. They are still doing them, Odieshi, in Anam, Ibariam, and other places. The same Udogachi, they are looking for native doctors, but all these ones where they do them Odieshi, they know they look for them. Do you see the evil of this Ihuanwo called Soludo? This man is the highest scam that have happened to our people. When freedom come, when Biafra come, I will be among the people who drag this category to court. We will see over there. And as of Onyeze Jesus, they suppose leave Akwa Okuko Tiwara and Nioba. Leave Ekehit and arrest you. Because you and these people have been doing native doctor issue, no doubt. But immediately Akwa Okuko become Lord, made money, made investment, and your phone this year too much. Then Akwa Okuko becomes kidnapper. First, I even forget, the first person where you arrest your mother-in-law. Your wife's mother, your wife will give you 2 twins. To pepper them, you arrested them when you came out. I hope say your wife know they go there, go see you because you are an idiot. If you still believe in this criminal called Onyeze Jesus, you still have a psychiatric problem. Yes. Because this very criminal called Onyeze Jesus put a lot of our youths in problem. A lot of our ladies, where they carry go water, go naked them. They video them for customer sake. This very thief called Onyeze Jesus will waka, jelly and wayoli, go to empty land and make video and tell you people that his son or buy empty land for him. This criminal called Onyeze Jesus. And people are believing him. People are coming. Scam! Today he is telling those that he prepared juju that it was a mistake. Oh, that Ekehit, that Ibubo was a mistake. That it was people that deceive him. Then how do we trust you if that Ekehit, that Ibubo is mistake? I am Emmanuel Oromijos, bringing this to you. Please enjoy the video.
Yes, country people, today is a special day where Anambra state government will arraign popular native doctors in the state, Akwa Okuko, Onyeze Jesus, and Ekehit. As you see from what happened, we are already in court, and the people where government were arraigned today are already headed to the court. People who love them, friends and well-wishers, are already in the court. Yes, we don't go inside courtroom where security men they lead the suspect to the courtroom. This one they come live from Anambra State High Court here in Akwa. Yes. The suspect don't enter inside courtroom for the business of the day. We get many security. As we say, the suspects are already inside courtroom, waiting for the business of the day. Friends and well-wishers, loved ones are already here, waiting to hear what today's event will be like. This one they happen for inside the Anambra High Court. Many persons who know inside courtroom are by the corridor trying to catch sight of what's happening.